Eccentric Learning Laboratories presents, in cooperation with the League of Greatest Youth, Learn with Pride. In the era of big data, environmental reinforcement of avoidant coping behaviors represents an organized framework for understanding dependence, abuse, tolerance, and addiction. Coping refers to how people manage crisis, conflict, and other obstacles or problems that interfere with developing an identity and creating a personal narrative of genuine growth. Coping requires beliefs, expectations, and experiences that inspire hope and lead to aspirations that validate interpersonal and object relations with others in society. Is now the time that you take hold of the ways we use words to define coping in this new age of recovery? This has been Lecture 3 of Learn with Pride, powered by the Tipping Point Model.